Alright guys, I'm back with another video. I about to react to this video, alright? I was watching a little bit of it, so I don't know. What do you think, buddy? Alright, let's go. Alright, let's peek the McDonald's, bro. Jesus Christ.
I know the fuck. Yo, look at this.
He said, who I got? It's me and my gun. She gon' slap on my knock. Yo, what, bro? Bro, how old is she? How old is she, bro? Look at him enjoying himself. Oh, God.
Suck my dick, nigga.
No, I don't want to, but alright, this is a good video. Yeah, you didn't see this right here. You don't know about that. You don't see that right there. So yeah, I heard this video, so I'm gonna react to it. Bye. See ya, boy.